Good part of the day, my dear students. Today I would like you to explain how to work on a Google presentation and create your own presentations and download it or share it with others. First of all, you have to go to your Google Drive disk, Google Drive. You go to your Gmail account and you choose your drive. And here you see plus new. You can press to this button and you easily can find this orange picture like Google Slides. To create slides, we have to press this button. And as you can see, this is the interface of Google presentation. First of all, we have to name our document presentation and put your name. And after that, you can see that the interface of Google presentation differs from others, which we used in our previous lessons. Work Docs, Google Docs, and Google Sheets. The layout of the document is like portrait, and you can see that here we can add a title to our document. Let's make a presentation about the city where I was born. Yes, okay. This is, I think, the best way to explain Tashkent, for example. And under the title, we can add subtitles. For example, first is history of the city, places to visit, museums, parks, and so on. This is, we can change it like clicking these points, as you see how I manage it. And at the same time, you can change the font, of course, font. You can change text color as well, for example, like this, and make other changes with other parts of this first slide. And as you understood, the first, our presentation is some kind of information about one topic you are choosing. And for example, I chose Tashkent, and I would like to create a presentation about this city. And I'm making a plan for explanation and presenting my presentation. And every presentation consists of slides. One sheet of paper, the name of this sheet is slide. And this is our first slide of our presentation. Presentation can consist of several slides, and you can add another slide pressing this button, as you see, plus, or pressing buttons Ctrl plus M, plus And when we plus, we can add a new sheet. But if we press an arrow near the plus button, we can find that there are lots of different templates of to add to our presentation. Like title and body, title and two columns if you want to compare some two different informations. And you can easily try every one and understand. Now, when you go to one of these slides, the active part is shown here in the center of our screen. And I'm copying the first one, Control-C, and put this as the name of the second slide, History of the City, and just remove the one. And here I can write an information from the internet. I can choose here maybe history of Tashkent. Write an information about it and just maybe copy it and put here. But as you see, and we can change font, make bigger it, but I advise you not to put too lot information in slides because it is not presentable for others. You have to use as little information. I mean, written information, text information as possible, as little as possible. And other information you have to give orally when you will present your presentation in front of your audience. This is one first, adding text to our presentation. And the second one, to make our presentation more interesting, we can add pictures, and this is, I advise to you to add more graphic picture information and other graph information in order to make your presentation more interesting. So I'm choosing one of the pictures and insert here. And you can see it. This is the second part of the, I'm doing like, I'm just show you, for example, and you have to put proper information, okay? Places to visit, Control copy. I copy this information and add the third slide and adding the name of the slide. And here I can add insert other types of elements like video, shape, table, chart, a diagram. I will choose diagram maybe, and here I can find some types of diagram. As you see, this is hierarchy, timeline, process, a relationship, cycle. And when you choose one of them, you can see different types. Okay, let's and I have to just fill this this diagram, and historical places, here modern places, and here you can count these places. For example, Chosu, here mosques maybe, yeah. Modern places, museum of and so on. And you can, if you want, you can add some more information and more details in your slide. And the next one, next is museums here. Like take, okay, museums, okay, control copy, plus this. So as you see, when I was staying on the first slide, it joined the, when I pressed this button, it joined new slide next to the first slide because I was in this part. But we can easily change the place like drawing up with our mouse. And here, like this, we can, if we want to delete this slide, we can just press delete. This next one. The next information, you can insert different types of these elements, and at the same time you can add video as well. If you have any video, you can choose. You can choose it by URL or in your Google Drive if you have your own video, or you can choose on YouTube as well. CT2, this one. Okay, so this is like to put different types of information in your presentation. And after creating, you have format places. You can easily change backgrounds. Please try to make it yourself. Try to make as more as possible, because you can do it with other. You can set an image like a background as well. For example, yes, but it is not visible, so it is not recommended to use a picture as a background. And after creating some slides for your presentation, you have to edit all your presentation, all your slides, to change backgrounds, to change the diagram. If you see here, you can see format options, side rotation, position, text filling, drop. You can try all of each yourself, okay? And after creating presentation, you have to, it is saved automatically to your Google Drive. But what I want to show you is you can download your presentation in Google, which is created on Google Presentations, as Microsoft PowerPoint to your computer, or like a PDF document, or a JPEG image, or PNG image. And I advise you to try to make each of them in order to find out what kind of information and how it looks like in different types of documents, like PPT, X, PDF, and text or JPEG formats. Now I will download like the PowerPoint presentation to my computer. Save. Why I'm doing it, I will show you later as well. Download as PDF. Save. If you see these two documents, they are totally different. This is PDF file, this is presentation. And later I will explain you how you can save your presentation as video file, because you can easily add here, insert, audio files as well. But unfortunately, Google Presentation doesn't give an opportunity to save Google Presentation files as a video file. But Microsoft Office, like PowerPoint presentation, it gives us opportunity to save our file as a video document or video MP3 file, MP3 file. And for today, this is the end of my explanation how to create presentation on Google Presentation. And I would like you to try some other clear formatting, borderlines, format options yourself and make your presentation more interesting and informative. Thank you, and meet you next time.